Sony is no stranger to releasing custom edition PlayStation 4 consoles to celebrate the launch of big games, but sometimes they can frankly be pretty hideous. But this red PS4 Pro, available as part of a Spider-Man bundle on September 7th, is definitely going to appeal to gamers who love their comic books. It's red. It's vibrant. Sony calls it Amazing Red, according to the box. There's a huge Spider-Man logo stamped onto the top. What else do you want?
It also comes with a physical copy of the game and vouchers for DLC. Here it is from another angle. The included controller perfectly matches the console's color scheme. 2 white buttons. Somehow it works. I am not sure whether the top of the console is glossy or not. Sony's video makes it seem like it might be, but not so much these press photos. Whatever the case, pre-orders for the limited edition Spider-Man PS4 Pro bundle start immediately for $399.
If you've been holding off on upgrading your regular PS4 to the more powerful Pro device, maybe the combo of a hotly anticipated game from Insomniac and a one-of-a-kind design will get you there. Spider-Man nails the web-slinging aspect of becoming Marvel's superhero. Come September 7th, you'll be able to find out whether the rest of the game meets its potential.